Ladies, please make sure you're wrapping your hair at night. Wrapping your hair has many benefits. It reduces the friction in your hair, retains moisture, preserves your hairstyle, reduces tangles and knots, and it also promotes healthy hair growth. And then it just saves you time in the morning. If you wrap your hair, all you got to do is get up, unwrap it, and keep going. That's one less step you got to do in the morning. When you wrap your hair, you want to act as if your hair is the roller. You're going to comb all of your hair down, bring the front forward. Your hair is the roller again. So you want to wrap it the same way until you shampoo your hair again. So if you typically wrap your hair to the right, do that wrap for the next week to 2 weeks until your next shampoo. You're going to comb it down and smooth it all the way around. Usually when your hair is a fresh press, it slips and it falls faster. So you can comb, clip, but just make sure it's nice and smooth around your head because again, your hair is the roller. And don't worry about clip indents because once you put the scarf on, you're going to slide them clips out. So as you can see, I'm kind of just like smoothing around her head. Again, her hair is the roller. Adding those clips to just make sure that it stays up there. Get it nice and smooth around the hair because it's going to fall the way it is underneath that scarf. Add the scarf, and then after, I will slide those clips out that I put in once her hair is fully wrapped.